Hello guys, this is a review of this Kawasaki Mini MTM 300A. So this is a 3-in-1 inverter welding machine. You can do MIG welding, gasless, and also the conventional stick. But since I'm a novice, I just stick with the MIG, so the gasless MIG welding, which essentially uses a spool of wire. It has a flux cord, so it has a flux in the middle of it, and it can accept sizes from as small as I think 0.8 to the biggest is 1 mm. So I've been using mostly 1 mm size of welding wire. And the story about this is it started with this project here, which is this gate that we have. I was quoted with about 95,000 for this entire gate. Yeah. So I did a search on internet and I found a similar size of gate. The project costed them about 25,000, 22,000 pesos in terms of the materials plus about 50% of the labor. So about say 35,000. And I reckon I could do the same, so that's what I did, and I came up with almost the same cost of materials, the cost of labor. I did it myself, so I bought that welding machine, and I was able to make this gate, yeah, made of tubular and some angle bar and some GI sheets and some I don't forget what it's called, yeah. So essentially similar to this, yep. So yeah. I did it all by myself, learning from YouTube University. And before I started this project, I actually practiced on these shelves here. Shelves, yeah. So I did this all by myself. These are all made of 1x1 tubular, and the floorings are all made of I think it's like a 1/8 plywood. So that's the smallest, rather the thinnest. And I also made this tall organizer, yeah. So I hung them all there. Yeah, they call it steel matting, yeah, now I remember. So this one is made of this is 3/16 inch, and yeah, and this one here, the frame is 3/4 inch tubular, 1.5 mm I think the thickness. That's another project, and I did a couple more. Probably all in all I made about 10 of these shelves. So I sort of got a hang of welding, and yeah, that came from the old gate. So yeah, so this welding machine, Kawasaki, is very good. Yeah, so I've been using this since December, and now it's April, so that's about 4-5 months of usage. Although at one point it gave up, and the damage was on the power supply. I was able to had it repaired from a technician somewhere in Cavite, here in Manila, in south of Manila, and I paid in all 1,500 pesos. Yeah. So it's now working again, and I'm making this which I will hang here. So that's made from steel matting. This is just the 1/8 inch, so that's the smallest one. I welded them here. This is just an angle bar. It's got holes, yeah, so that's just easier to hang them over here. So I'll hang them here later, and this will serve for additional storage of tools and all stuff similar to what I have there. So this has been very good, yeah. Yeah, actually the reason why I bought this is aside from I need it, is also because you can do stick welding with it. But in the end I found stick welding, I think they call it TIG welding, is it? That's what it's called. I find it difficult for novice and beginners like me. So the MIG, gasless MIG welding is a lot easier and more friendly to beginners like myself. So yeah, I bought this for about $100, about $100 5,500, I think, which is translates to about 100 US dollars. So I save a lot of money from learning by myself, to weld, yeah. And I was able to have this project completed with lots of savings. So all in all, I think I spent roughly about what 25,000 pesos in materials. So I bought those from the materials, and this is sort of the labor. Yeah, I have the welding machine, and I think I bought also a cut-off machine and some other tools. Yeah, that including this welding mask. By the way, this is really very helpful. So I would suggest and highly recommend, instead of using the conventional welding mask, that you use something like this. This has an auto darkening feature. It means that under normal light condition, it's bright. I mean, it's clear, but when it senses ultraviolet coming from the welding, from the arc welding, it will darken the lens so that it doesn't, temporarily blind your eyes. Yeah, so yeah, so this is very helpful tool. Yeah, this is also part of the item that I purchased out of the savings I got from our project. Yeah, so yeah, so this is highly recommended machine, relatively cheap. I mean, you can have a stick welding for about $50, but this one is better, especially for beginners like myself. So yeah, so I'll have done lots of projects, and I think I'll be doing more using this welding machine. Yeah, so yeah, so hope this has been helpful to you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.